Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if your Starlink says unsecured network, that means your Wi-Fi does not have a password and anyone nearby can connect. This is easy to fix. Let's get started. Open the Starlink app on your phone and make sure you are connected to your Starlink Wi-Fi. For that, open the Setting app, then tap Wi-Fi configuration or network setting. Look for the security or password. Create a strong password with letter and number. This will secure your network. Tap Save or Apply changes. Your Starlink router will reset automatically. After reset, go to Wi-Fi setting on your phone. Select your Starlink network. Enter the new password. Do this for all your devices. If the warning still shows, unplug the router, wait for 1 minute and plug it back in. Open the Starlink app again. The unsecured network warning should be gone. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.